One.
I'm going to be disassembling and assembling the Smith & Wesson NP15 Sport AR15 5.57 NATO. Before we do that, we're going to talk about safety. To release the magazine, all you do is push this button and pull at the same time. Magazine is empty. Then you pull clear the chamber, and then release the pressure. Then, to disassemble it, you have these two pins. You have the pivot pin and a pin that holds the other. To release the pins, you have to push the back of them. The pivot pin is harder to get out than the regular pin. This is why it's called a pivot pin, because you can pivot the top and the bottom. Then pick up, take it out. Why is this not coming out? There we go. Air the bolt. Disassemble the bolt. You have to push and rotate. Also, to help you, take a tack, or something with a small needle. You're going to reach down in here and just lift up. Very simple, very easy. Sometimes you'll get lucky and it'll just slide out, but that looks like it's not going to happen for me. You're going to have to turn it one way or the other. Just make it parallel with the bolt. Really not easy. Sometimes if you do that, it will loosen it up. What would come out is a needle-looking thing. See if it can come out. Maybe if you pull it. There it is. There it is. It's like if a pen and a needle had a baby, that's what it would look like. So you put that back in, put the pen back in, pushing it back in, easy. Take the charging pin. To get this back in, a little tricky. This is what it looks like. You're going to have the tooth here. You're not going to be able to get this in like that, because you have a notch there. So you're going to have to put it through here, and you're going to have to apply upward force almost. And you're going to want to hold it there, and then you take the bolt. You're going to want this to be in the out position. Up, push up. Slide out. Like that. Push in. Keep the clip in. And that's how to assemble and disassemble an AR15. Of course. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Nope, that's not what happened. have no idea what just happened there. Well, since that happened, I can show you how to get the pivot pin in. Get the pivot pin in. You don't want to lay this on your leg or somewhere you're not going to apply a lot of weight onto it. And you want to slide it in, push and wiggle at the same time. Don't. Push. There you go. And make sure this is in all the way, because if it's not, it's not going to go down. Then just keep that closed. Push. And that's how you assemble and disassemble an AR-15.